How to fix call indate problem on Android. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easy method to fix your call indate problem on Android devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will learn how to fix the issue. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, users have to check your balance on your Android device. So different SIM have got different codes. So according to your SIM code, you can easily dial the code and search for the balance on your Android device. As you can see that recently I have entered the code on my mobile device and then the balance is 0.22 as well as there is the loan which needs to be paid. So due to the zero balance or no balance on your Android device, maybe the call is ending and creating the issue. For that, you need to recharge your balance and then continue doing the calls. And then your issue of call indate problem will be fixed on Android. But if this is not the issue on your device, then the second step what you need to follow is you need to go and open the settings. You need to go and open the settings on your Android device. So you can easily drop this notification panel and select the settings button at the top right corner, or you can also open in app as well. And on this phone, you need to select apps on the settings and then select default apps. Once you select it, you need to simply tap on phone app option and then you need to select default phone app button. Once done, you can easily come back from this page and select app management from the same apps page and then search for phone using the search bar. Now let's open the phone apps app info page and here select storage users and clear the caches. So it might be simple, but clearing cache is very important to remove all the glitches and bugs from different apps on your devices. So once you have followed all these three steps, you need to go and check whether your issue have been fixed or not. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.